It would be kind of cool. Is if they just anchored it right there, and then you had to
Come out in a dinghy.
tender out to it.
Make it more prestigious.
That'd be really cool.
They'd have to do a bow and a stern anchor.
Maybe that's what they're gonna do.
Because that anchor is going to be a million miles out from the rest of the docks.
And now I'm beginning to question whether they're doing that.